1000 Cookie Recipes is presenting homemade cacao chocolate bars. They can be chocolate squares, anything that you want to pour the chocolate into to create whatever it is that you would like homemade cacao chocolate bars to be. Okay, the list of ingredients: cacao powder, which of course is non-sweetened. It's just 100% cacao powder. I start with 1 cup. Coconut oil. This would be 1 cup of coconut oil. I use honey. There is no sugar in this recipe. I would use 3 heaping tablespoons. You will see I don't measure it. I just pour it out from the bottle, and whatever looks about 3+ tablespoons is going to work. And then 1 cap of vanilla. Now those are the only ingredients you need. But in this video you will see that I use powdered milk. And even though it says 1 cup, that should say 1/2 cup. So I'm going to change that. So optional is powdered milk, 1/2 cup, and white chocolate chips, and about 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. And you will see how I use those at the end of the video. So I'm excited to bring you this video today. Let's get started now. Okay, I use a rice cooker to create a double boiler. All right, and I put a little bit of water in the bottom of the rice cooker, and then I'm using a glass bowl to set on top. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 cup of coconut oil. Okay, 1 cup coconut oil. Honey. About 3 tablespoons. Okay. A little more. Depends on how sweet you want it. Remember, we're using cacao powder, and it's unsweetened. Vanilla. Vanilla. One cap. Cacao powder. One cup. 1 cup. Powdered milk. 1/2 cup. Now we're going to cook. We're going to stir. Going to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, we have placed the chocolate mixture, it's hot, into the glass pan. I'm going to let it cool for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes before adding the optional white chocolate chips. And now it goes into the freezer. Okay, I will now place this mixture into the freezer for over an hour at least. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Please be careful here. You can see while I'm chopping with a knife, I may look a little reckless, but I'm not. I'm kind of cringing a little bit at my method of holding the knife and and breaking up the chocolate. But all in all, I make this probably at least once a month, and that's pretty much how I do it. So when it comes out of the freezer, I do use the knife to cut to break the chocolate up, and then store it in the freezer because it will melt at room temperature. Okay, well, thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel, and if you like our channel, please subscribe, because we'll actually be doing cookie recipes, but since I make this for friends and family, I had to do a video for you guys. Okay, so take care always.